Today I am going to discuss about how to create an Angular app from scratch. Let's browse Angular IO. This is the Angular dashboard. Let's go to the setup tab. We see the prerequisites. The prerequisite is Node.js. Angular required Node.js. Let's check in my PC whether the Node.js install or not. For checking Node.js, you need to type node-v. I have already installed Node.js in my PC. If in your environment, if Node.js has not installed, you need to browse the Node.js dashboard. From here, you must download LTS version of Node. Then we see the npm package manager. Angular or Angular CLI uses npm packages, so your environment must have npm package manager. The npm package manager has installed in order to Node.js install. Then the first step of creating Angular app, you need to install the Angular CLI globally. Actually, Angular CLI generate application and perform variety of ongoing development tasks such as testing, bundling and deployment. For installing npm package globally, you need to type this command. In my environment, the Angular CLI has already been installed. Then create a workspace at initial application. You need to run ng new command. In new, you can specify your app name. In my case, I am using customer app. The Angular CLI is asking, do you want to use routing or not? We are using routing, then type yes, and it asking for which CSS version we will use. This time we keep CSS. It's okay. It will take some times because the npm package is going to install. Angular app has been created successfully. Let's enter into app.